to wash my face with this temple water. I cannot even explain how beautiful is this place. Stay to the end of the video to get the secret of how to get to this place. It's insane. It's like, because this place, his Japanese friend, so no foreigners explore or know about this place. Bring just a flashlight and you're good to go. Let's continue to explore. So we're going somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going.
Taking you to a secret place that nobody goes to. It's open 24 hours.
Wow.
It's a secret tip.
So it's like we...
Just because it's like, you know.
Bye, sweetie pie.
Bye, buddy.
We'll be back in the morning. It's pretty dark, but it looks so beautiful. I will try to flip my camera and show you a little bit. So I put some light here, hopefully just that you guys can see a little bit more. But oh my crazy. Hallelujah. What is that? OMG. He's big. Look at this, another one. Whoever built it got very tired. It's just insanely big, insanely big. Really cool at night. Found some hands here that we're coming closer to see. This is a very big hands. They are ginormous. And I will let you know so you can read slowly everything you want to know about the hands. Hopefully you got it. Let's go. This is the Todai-ji Museum. Let's continue exploring, guys, in the middle of this beautiful and peaceful night. And let's see what else we can find out here. So we're still going somewhere. Oh, okay, I thought this is the place. So this is so cool. We will definitely come back here during the day because it's really, really beautiful. And it's really nice also to come here during the night. So it will be a little bit different experience. Even right now at 8:30, it's so freaking hot. It's just insane. It's insane. It's like 9 p.m. and I'm sweating so bad. And just wait to see all these stairs. We need to make it up, but we are going to make it. Okay, we're doing it. Let's go. Look at all of these stairs. We are going to go and climb them up. Okay, guys, maybe it's nicer to come here when nobody else is around. Look at this beauty. This is definitely different Nara from what I saw so far on YouTube. I'll put everything, all the places we visited, in the description below so you can see. You can bring a beer with you, take a chair here, and enjoy this peaceful and absolutely beautiful view and silence. Nobody here at night. I'm sure during the day it's a lot of people here. Look at these beautiful lamps. This is so cool. Wow, this is so beautiful. So pretty, guys. I cannot even explain how beautiful is this place. The sound of the water is just my favorite. I don't know if you follow me for a while, that when I visited all these Alpujarra villages in Andalusia, Spain, my favorite, absolutely favorite thing in the world is the sound of the water. Look at this cool stuff. Maybe you can during the day buy them, these cards, and write something. It's so cool. And make all your wishes come true. So this one, it's so cool. Look at the water coming down. And then you can rinse your hands, your face, and enjoy this absolutely fresh water. Most of the places they said, please do not drink this water. Look at my face. It's so good to wash my face with this temple water. I'm so sweaty at night. The only person here. So, Mr. Adam, there's 3 ways we can go down. One way is here using these stairs, okay? One way, what it says here.
Stairs with handrails on your left.
Okay. Okay, so maybe all of those will bring us to the same place. Oh my goodness, should we go inside here? You come with me. Look at this, Adam. Let's go inside the mountain. Ready? Let's go. My goodness, the water is coming from above. Look at this. Happy decided to go inside. And you can make your way out here. Oh, I just went on a secret way. But this is like the way everybody's supposed to go, I guess. Maybe it was better actually that we went this way, because we explore something new. It's looked like, to me, a graveyard. Look at this place, guys. What? It's gorgeous. So we're going to make our way down now, because we climbed pretty high. Like you can see, it's awesome, it's beautiful. Definitely if you stay in for longer than 2-3 days in Osaka and you would like to explore something more than shopping centers and even the deer park that everybody is talking about and coming here to feed deer, I will stay here for a night or 2 and explore this absolutely gorgeous, walkable, beautiful Japanese town.